Number 57 in your classwork for congruent triangles asks you to prove whether the triangles are congruent and by which rule. So here we have a fun one. So we have that segment TU. So this line formed by TU is parallel to the line formed by WX. So these two segments are parallel. And also we're given that the transversal here between these two parallel lines. So this segment formed by UX, or in this case it's written as XU. This is parallel to TU. So right here, this angle we know is a right angle because perpendicular lines form right angles. And so this would mean that the alternate interior angle to this, which would be this angle here, formed by UXW, would also have to be a right angle because it would have to be a congruent angle, and the congruent angle to a right angle is also a right angle. So we know that angle at TUV is congruent to angle WXV, because they're both right angles. They both have a measure of 90 degrees. We also know that we have this side that's congruent. We have UV is congruent to VX. And also, we know that we have this pair of vertical angles here. So that would be angle UVT. It's congruent to XVW. And so, since we prove that we have an angle, a side, and an angle that are congruent in that order, we have angle, side, angle congruence. So by SAS congruence, we know that triangles TUV and triangles WXV are congruent.